Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is the epitome of mobility and luxury. Outside, modern and aerodynamic. For fuel economy and less wind noise when driving, aerodynamics will be given a lot of weight in the design. With Mercedes-Benz design elements like the recognizable front grille and streamlined adaptive matrix LED headlamps, the body lines will be elegant and futuristic. Premium materials. Use of premium materials like carbon fiber composites and lightweight aluminum. Panoramic windows. Huge windows that may have an electrochromatic privacy feature that allows you to control how dark they are. A 360-degree camera makes parking and moving around easier, especially in confined areas. Automatic entry. When the doors are open, wide entry doors with electric steps automatically extend. Inside, the driver and front passenger seats may be rotated to become part of the seating space, and the cockpit driver area is seamlessly integrated with the living room, including a sizable infotainment screen. Living lounge area. High-end entertainment system. Big, hidden flat-screen TV, creative folding or sliding dining table, and plush L-shaped sofa. A full-size refrigerator and freezer with compressor, a large sink with a fashionable tap, a combination oven and microwave, a 2 or 3 burner induction cooktop, and plenty of storage space with overhead cabinets and soft closed drawers are all features of the kitchen. A cozy queen or king-size bed with a high-quality mattress, advanced control system. A central touchscreen controls every aspect of a motorhome, including the lighting, air conditioning, heating, water tank, battery, awning, and more. Euro 60 diesel. A strong and efficient diesel engine such as a 2.0 or 3.0 V6 mated to an automatic transmission. The 9-tronic hybrid. A plug-in hybrid. For the 2026 motorhome, Mercedes-Benz is probably going to have a hybrid or plug-in hybrid option, which will lower fuel consumption and allow for quieter and more ecologically friendly driving in some places. Car tracking and alarm system.